A material safety data sheet (MSDS) is a document that contains information on a potential hazard, health, fire, reactivity, and environmental, and how to work safely with the chemical product. So how do you dispose of MSDS? MSDS is a designation for Material Safety Data Sheet. The MSDS document is supplied by manufacturers for all chemical products. An MSDS is a material safety data sheet. You can trash it, burn it, or shred it as it is only a printed piece of paper. If a data center gets too hot, equipment runs a higher risk of failure. That failure often leads to downtime, lost data, and lost revenue. When our article was first published in 2005, the recommended data center temperature range was 68 Fahrenheit to 75 Fahrenheit. Hardware device used to supply power to computers and peripherals for a short time if the power happens to be low or removed. A battery backup allows the computer to shut down safely or keep the computer running if the computer is off for less than a few minutes. A surge suppressor protects electronic equipment from sustaining damage in the event of a power surge, faulty wiring, or other functionality in voltage. This could include complete loss or line voltage in issues where your lights dim for a few seconds and then go back to normal. An external drive enclosure is the physical case that houses and powers a hard drive. Enclosures, which can be purchased separately, contain the electronics and interface that allows a hardware drive to connect to a computer. External hard drives enclosure may also be called disk enclosures or disk cattles. So what is an air filter? Just as humans need oxygen to breathe, a car needs oxygen for the combustion process. The air filter prevents any insects, dust, particles, sands, or debris reaching the engine and ensures a good mixture of air and fuel to support the performance of the PC. So what does dust in your PC do? The buildup of dust can surely impact your computer's performance for two main reasons. It causes the component of your computer to retain heat, and it makes it more difficult for the internal fans to dissipate heat from the system, thereby decreasing the efficiency of the entire system. Compressed air is a combination of under-pressure gases that are squeezed into a can. With computers and electronics, compressed air is the preferred method for removing dust and dirt from sensitive electronics.